Okay, today we're going to take a look at this ACDelco oil filter, number PF2232. And you can get this oil filter at O'Reilly Auto Parts for $9.99. Or you may be able to find it cheaper somewhere else. But I got this filter for free. Yep, a generous viewer whose name is Scotty Jack Ubin from LaPorte, Indiana sent me this oil filter. Thanks, Scotty. And this filter fits some of your Chevy Silverados. Yep, the ones with the 6.6 liter V8 diesel engine. So let's get started.
This is set for, you got a glued silicone, be nice and tight. You get your inner here, filtration here.
Okay, there really isn't any important information on this box. So let's open her up and see what she looks like. And the date code 20274Y. Product of USA. And this is a sticker. She has 8 inlet holes. Nitro rubber gasket, which is on there pretty good. Looks pretty thick also. How are the threads? About 3 or 4 grooves there. Looks like a metal core louvers, bypass valve down below. And this one looks to have metal end caps. I can see the steel rim around there. Pretty good size filter. Open this filter up and see what's inside. Okay, here she is cut open. Let's get her weight. 531 grams. And base plate, 226 grams. Take a look at the base plate. It's a pretty thick base plate. You can see the depth there in the holes. There's a nice amount of threads there also. Yeah, this all looks good. And it's got a nitro rubber anti-drain back valve. This fits right over those holes nicely. Yeah, it all looks good. Okay, filter element. 140 grams. Okay, she has metal end caps. And I counted 54 pleats. Nicely spaced pleats also. Here's a glued up. Well, it's probably a glued inside seam. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. You know, little glue here and there. That's not bad. This is pretty clean. Like I said, the pleats are nicely spaced. This has a micron rating of 98% at 25 to 30 microns, and it's a cellulose filter media. And I got all these specs from O'Reilly's website. Okay, let's look at Jazz here. Stamp leaf spring combo valve. It's a good size one. Let's see what that weighs. 13 grams. And the can's a little thicker than most. Can weighs 148 grams. Let's get the thickness of the can. I was getting about 0.52. Well, 0.49 actually. But 0.4 to 0.5 is about average. So it's pretty good. You can feel this is a pretty thick can. And the filter media. I'll zero that out. Okay. .67 wide. Yeah, these look like deep pleats also. There's probably a lot of filter media here. Alright, let's cut this filter open and stretch her out. See how long she is. Be right back. Okay, here's the filter media all stretched out. And it goes over my table. And this filter media is 81 inches long. A lot of filter media. Okay, let's get the thickness. 0.81 millimeters thick. Get it up close. Doesn't want to focus. Figures. There it goes. And it's an inside seam, as you can see. It's glued. Okay, let's look at the rest of the filter. And overall, I'd say this is a pretty good filter. This is, this is all nice and strong. Strong inner core here. It came apart when I was cutting it open, but I mean, this is a nice, good size combo valve. The only bad thing I see is the nitro rubber anti-drain back valve, but I bet you these filters are mounted horizontal, vertically anyways, like this, so it probably wouldn't matter. Got a nice thickness there. Yeah, it all looks good, and pretty thick can also. Most of the ACDelco filters are, you get the felt end caps, but this has the metal end caps, so you must figure better for the big diesel engines. So what do you guys think about this filter? Do any of you guys use this filter on your vehicles? And again, I want to thank Scotty for sending me this oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. The filter media weighs 40 grams.